Hello everyone, my name is Reza Mirbek and I'm your instructor. I'm so excited to begin the semester and lead you on your journey through this course. I love teaching and I'm devoted to helping you succeed. Our class time, including my lecture videos, discussion boards, and quizzes, will be structured to help you learn in a supportive and comfortable environment. Your homework is designed to develop the concepts and skills of the course. Starting with day one, dedicate yourself to your success. This is an online course and your attendance is required. But obviously, we do not have a physical classroom for you to attend. Still, your participation in discussions and other assignments demonstrate your attendance in this course. Lack of participation and engagement in the course activity and assignments may result in dropping you from this course. Let's navigate through the course. First, I want to show you where you can find your course syllabus. Please click on the syllabus link under the home page. Here is your syllabus. You can find a lot of good information regarding the course description, the dates, and grading policy. I also want to show you where you can access your course modules. Please click on a module link on the home page. As you can see, there are 8 modules, and we will go through one of them every week. Please remember that you should contact me with your questions and concerns. I'm here to help you. You can always access my contact here and the home page. Together, as a team, we can help you to achieve your goal. Good luck.